Do you ever need your gear but can't access it quickly? You reach for a key, but everything is tangled together. Slow, tight, and frustrating at the worst moment. Introducing TiLok, a titanium magnetic quick-release connector designed to give you instant control over your everyday carry. With a simple snap, it connects securely. And with a single pull, it releases exactly what you need, instantly and effortlessly. Traditional key systems are often rigid and inconvenient. Keys tangle, access is slow, and quick use is never truly quick. But not with TiLok. Whether you're commuting, traveling with your EDC gear, or walking your pet, TiLok adapts to your daily life and keeps your essentials always within reach. With precision CNC machined titanium construction, TiLok is built to be lightweight, durable, and reliable for real-world use.